Everyone is losing their minds over GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.7 dropping. And honestly, I don't care. Because while Silicon Valley is busy trying to lock you into their closed ecosystems and charge you massive premium API fees, the open source whale just breached the surface. DeepSeek v4 is officially here. We are now getting the exact same top-tier reasoning and coding performance as the tech giants, but we do not have to pay the premium. Welcome back to Everyday AI School, where we cut the fluff and pack every second with value. Today we are tearing down DeepSeek v4. We are going to look at the hard benchmark data right from their Hugging Face page, why a 1 million context window is now the default, how it integrates instantly into your agentic workflows, and how you can access it for free right now. If you look at the official Hugging Face model card for DeepSeek v4 Pro, you will see they didn't just drop one model, they dropped two. You have v4 Pro and v4 Flash. v4 Pro is a 1.6 trillion parameter absolute monster, pre-trained on an insane 33 trillion tokens. But because of its highly optimized mixture of experts architecture, it only activates 49 billion parameters when it runs. Then you have v4 Flash. This is the leaner 284 billion parameter model that activates just 13 billion parameters. It performs right on par with the Pro version for simple agent tasks, but at a fraction of the size and cost. But the biggest headline sitting right on their model card is this. A 1 million token context length is now the standard default across all official DeepSeek services. If you have ever tried to shove an entire codebase into an LLM, you know it usually crashes your system because of memory limits. DeepSeek fixed this through structural innovation. They introduced n-gram conditional memory and token-wise compression combined with DeepSeek's sparse attention. I won't bore you with the deep math, but the result is world-leading long context efficiency with drastically reduced compute and memory costs. You can drop massive repositories directly into the prompt and it just works. But specs don't write code. Let's look at the benchmarks. DeepSeek officially states v4 Pro is the open-source, state-of-the-art in agentic coding. And the numbers prove it. On SWE Verified, which tests resolving real, complex GitHub issues, v4 Pro scored 80.8%. That puts it in a dead tie with Gemini 3.1 Pro and right next to Claude Opus 4.6. On Codeforces, which tests brutal competitive programming logic, it hit a rating of 3,206, mathematically beating GPT 5.4. It leads all current open models in rich world knowledge, trailing only Gemini 3.1 Pro, and it absolutely crushes all open models in math, STEM, and coding, completely rivaling the absolute top closed-source models. Because its coding capabilities are so lethal, DeepSeek added dedicated optimizations specifically for agent capabilities. v4 is seamlessly integrated right now with leading AI agents like Claude Code, OpenClaw, and OpenCode. DeepSeek is literally using it to drive their own in-house agentic coding. And here's the absolute best part for us developers. The API is updated and available today, and it is absurdly cheap. You don't even need to rewrite your code. It fully supports OpenAI chat completions and Anthropic APIs. You literally just keep your existing base URL and update the model name to DeepSeek-v4-Pro or DeepSeek-v4-Flash. If you hit the cache with v4-Flash, it costs just $0.0288 per million input tokens. v4 Pro is only $0.174 on a cache hit. You are getting state-of-the-art coding logic for literal pennies. If you want to test this right now for free, just head over to chat.deepseek.com. You can access it immediately via expert mode or instant mode. Drop in a massive codebase, toggle on expert mode, and watch it reason through your complex logic. But looking at Hugging Face model cards is one thing. Actually building with it is another. If you want to deep dive into this, and you want to see a real use case where we plug the v4 API into a coding agent to autonomously fix bugs, let me know in the comments below. If there's enough demand, I will cover the full step-by-step build in the next video. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next